Hi guys, this is Nick from the Tentworld store. Today I'm going to take you through one of our neat little things that we have here, the Coleman Camp Oven. Now this is a flat folding oven that you can actually fit on top of your gas burner stove, so you can bake anything from a cake, as I'm going to do for you today, to doing things like small roasts or anything else that you would normally bake in your oven at home. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it out of the box. We're going to set it up for you here in front of you today. We'll fire up the Gladiator stove here and we'll get it up to temp, and we'll see what sort of a nice chocolate cake I can make for afternoon tea. So it all folds flat inside this little box to come with. Baking tray. You get it out. Just unlock the little latches that keep it closed. So firstly, want to have a look in here. Put the bottom tray down and get those little lugs on the side to lock in. You can see that. And then the same on the top. When you lift that up, there's a couple of little lugs on the side. You slide in. There we go. Is it locking in? There we go. Lock the bottom latch as well to lock the floor into place. And once they're locked into place, the walls are nice and strong, so we can put our baking tray into the slots on the side. And we're done. So it takes no time at all. Drop that onto the top of the gas cooker. And we're away. And that'll take about 4 or 5 minutes to preheat. The Coleman Camp Oven is made of a sturdy steel construction with an easy to clean surface. When you set it up, it's roughly 30 by 30 by 30 centimetres square, so that's enough to put a small roasting tray or a baking dish in. When you pack it down, it's only about 7 centimetres thick, so it's nice and compact when you need to pack it away. You have a carry handle on the top, nice easy to use handle for opening it, single baking tray on the inside of it, and a handy thermometer on the front to keep an eye on your temperature. When they heat up, it took me about 4 or 5 minutes to heat one of these up, and again about 5 minutes to cool down before you can pack it away. Okay guys, so that only took a couple of minutes to actually get up to temperature. It takes just a little bit of playing around to find the right setting on your stove to try and keep it at the right temperature there, but generally once it's heated up, turn it down pretty far on low just to maintain that temperature inside the oven. So I've mixed up just a cupcake chocolate cake mix today that I put in the big pan. So we'll open it up here, throw it on there, come back, hopefully in about 20 minutes, and they should be pretty good. Let's have a look. Alright guys, so it's been actually about 25 minutes now, and I just had to have a peek at this a second ago, but we're going to pull it out of the oven now and see how we're doing. So this is our lovely little chocolate cake, 25 minutes in the Coleman Camp Oven. When's the last time you had a nice fresh hot cake when you were camping? So I like you to do the little test with the poker. Coming out nice and clean. That cake's going to be beautiful. Alright, so we'll let that cool down. We'll get some icing on it, and we should all take into that with a cup of tea for afternoon tea. Well, there we have it. Look at that nice chocolate cake. I tell you what, I've never had a fresh chocolate cake baked when I'm camping before, so I'm certainly going to be getting one of these for myself pretty soon. Look, I think that's performed really well. The little Coleman Camp Oven, especially here on the Coleman Hyperflame Gladiator. Take a look at this. We'll get a slice off of there. Perfectly cooked little chocolate cakes. We're all going to tuck into that this afternoon. Yeah, so if you want to come down to a Tentworld store to check out the Coleman Camp Oven or any of our other great products that we have here, come down to any of our 13 locations around the country, or jump on tentworld.com.au.